Hello everyone. So food for my babies are over and I had to make it. So I thought, why don't I show you how I make them, because I don't feed them packaged food. I make it at home. I have beans, carrots, and of course chicken. I have almost half kg carrot and beans each. You can add broccoli, sweet potato, but they don't like it. They're so choosy. So, and then 4 to 5 pieces of chicken, because that will, and some water. I want it more watery, more soupy, so I'll fill the water to the top. There you go. I like to put a little bit turmeric, and that's it. We are done, and we still have some left for the second batch. So I have both the batches ready. Here it is. I keep it in a Tupperware type of container, and this will last me for I think 4 to 5 days.